In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently log in and navigate through Booksy Biz on the web, and specifically, how you can utilize the marketing tools to generate and share a QR code that links directly to your booking page. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful marketing tool at your fingertips for increasing client engagement and bookings. Let's start by heading over to the Booksy Biz website and signing in. Make sure you have your login details handy so you can quickly access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to various features and tools that Booksy has to offer. For our purpose today, we're particularly interested in the marketing tools. So, go ahead and look for the option labeled Marketing Tools. Depending on your account, this might be labeled slightly differently as Promote or simply Marketing. Click on this option to proceed. You're now on the Marketing Tools page. This section is designed to offer you resources to promote your services effortlessly. Once here, keep an eye out for the section titled QR Code. This is usually nestled under promotional materials. The great thing about Booksy is that it automatically generates a QR code that links directly to your booking page. This cloud-generated QR code can become an essential tool for inviting clients to book your services with ease, without the need for them to manually type in your URL. Now let's get that QR code downloaded. Once you locate the QR code section, look for the download button, which will allow you to save the QR code as an image file. Usually you have options like PNG or JPG, both of which are versatile formats for various uses. Simply click Download and your QR code will be saved to your device. With this image at your disposal, you have a myriad of opportunities to enhance your service visibility. So, what can you do with this QR code? The possibilities are extensive. Think about printing it out for physical marketing materials such as flyers, posters, or even placing it at your front desk. Integrating these into your outreach strategy allows clients to scan the code effortlessly. But don't stop there. You can enhance your digital marketing by using the code on social media platforms or embedding it in email newsletters. Consider sharing this QR code on business cards and menus, or pretty much anywhere your clients are likely to see it. It's a quick and effective way to lead them directly to your booking page. When a client scans the QR code with their smartphone, they'll be instantly directed to your Booksy booking page, streamlining the process for them to secure their appointment with just a few taps. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to leverage Booksy Biz's built-in features to boost your marketing efforts. By integrating the QR code into your business strategy, you're sure to see an increase in client engagement and booking convenience. Thanks for watching, and happy booking!